Your next car could be the 2021 Kia K5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Transform your daily drive in this well-appointed K5. From its sophisticated cabin, daring sense of style, family-focused safety features, and satisfying performance, this luxurious sedan inspires and delights. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, traction control, intermittent wipers. Get the safety and comfort your family deserves in this well-appointed K5. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.